A severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Stoddartsville, or 12 miles west of Mount Pocono, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Mount Pocono, Tobiana, Blakesley, Long Pond, Albrightsville, Pocono Pines, Pocono Raceway, Lake Harmony, Goodsboro State Park, and Arrowhead Lake. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 89 and 97. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 277 and 299. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 13. The following is a special...
Excuse me, but I just hit the stop recording button on the previous warning at Mount Holly. You give me another one. Bruh.